Are you wondering how to delete your TikTok account? Well, do not worry because I got your back. My name is David from Litex Tech Support, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete your account permanently or either how to deactivate it. Well, that being said, let's get started. I will open my TikTok app, I'll go on my profile, and here on the upper side of the screen, upper right side, you will locate three lines. Let's hit them. Go into the settings and privacy and hit your account. Right underneath you'll find deactivate or delete account. Inside here you'll be asked if you want to deactivate your account or if you want to delete your account permanently. I will select delete your account permanently. You will have to choose from any reasons inside here, but do not worry, you can choose any reason you want. I will select another reason. If you select another reason, you will be asked to type the reason here, but as I told you, you can choose any one you want. Right now TikTok is asking you if you want to request to download your data from inside it before you continue, but I will just accept this and continue because I agree. And you have to know that your account will not be deleted like right now. You will have to wait a 30-day period in which you don't have to access your account anymore. If you will access your account again, it will stop the termination of the account. What you have to do, just proceed and start this process and don't access your account anymore. I mean, don't sign in, don't log in into your account anymore, and it will be deleted after 30 days. If you want to stop this process, you will have to log in again into your account. Let's continue, and you'll be asked to verify that it's you through a verification process that you selected. In my case, it's an SMS to my phone number. You may have to send you a code to your email or with your Apple ID. Depends now what you selected. I will have to type this code, so it's a 490 then 838. Press on done and select delete account. Are you sure you want to delete this account? Yes, I want.
Stay off the ground
because I agree to all this, and I am log out from my account. As you can see, if I will log in again, I will stop the deletion process of this account. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave any questions if you have any, right in the comment section. Please have a great day.